Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2016 Nissan Altima, and in this car I'll show you how to remove your front door panel. So let's start. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this lid. To do so, we have to get something like this. We have a little gap here which we could use to get our... Once we have the cover off, we have to take off this cover here. How do we do this? Well, I use this nanotechnology. It's a butter knife with some tape over it so I don't scratch the plastic. And what I'm doing here, I'm gonna put knife in here and unclick. Now I have a gap here. Okay, actually, yeah. Oh, here it is. There was actually a gap here on the bottom. This is the best place to put it in, so do it that way. Okay, after this, what we have here, we have to remove, I believe, this controller. Yeah, here we go. Remove these two connectors. Just pressing the middle piece and pulling out. You will have to remove these two screws, 1 and 2. So get your Phillips screwdriver, and I got 2 screws out. I see another screw right here. I'm gonna remove that one also. Alright, now you have a cover here. Remove this cover, drop it here, and let's unplug our... We should be able to unplug the panel now. You guys can see it. So I'm grabbing here and just pulling. Okay, it was simple. Just raise it up now, and we have connector here. Remove this, and we have a handle here. To remove the handles, just take it out here and over here, raise it up. All right. Okay, so here's our panel, the door panel, the door. Window motor is right here behind us, so if you need to get to it, you just unglue it, get to the motor. If you need to replace it. Speaker and the handle is on the panel. The handle is simple. You just I believe 1, 2, 3 screws and you're all set. Okay, so this is how you take off the panel. Now let's put the panel back on. Exact reverse procedure. Start with the handle because it's the trickiest one. Okay, so first you put it down inside and then you flick it in like this. All right, and same thing here. Put it inside, click it in. All right, connect this connector and just take these two connectors through this hole. First thing, you put top, align the top, make sure it's all good. After you're all set and you are all aligned, make sure that your clips go in correctly. Then you can just tap on the panel. Okay, make sure you have everything correct. I can't see, so I'm going to check from this side. Alright, so now just click back in the panel. Okay, once you plugged everything back, you have everything nice and neat. Then you can do 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. these right here. Okay, I have all the screws back in place. Ding, ding, ding. Now we can actually connect connectors here. Good. Now take the cover. First thing, you put this end, get it in, and click it back in. All set. Next thing you have over here, you do from the bottom, little piece, and put it back in nice and neat. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, put it back in, and the cover. It has to click in. Alright, all set. And this is how you do it. It's very simple, as you can see. So guys, if this helps, press like and have a great day.